Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming Kingshot is running version 3. 2 or later and the widget module is enabled. This ensures compatibility. Once confirmed, open the target page and click Add Component, then Widget so you begin placement. Next, choose the widget type that matches your goal and set a unique ID plus a clear label. This prevents conflicts and aids discovery. Make sure to save a draft before continuing, so you can revert quickly if the layout shifts unexpectedly. Once the widget placeholder exists, you configure behavior by selecting the data source and a sensible refresh interval, for example 30 seconds, to balance freshness and load. Then map inputs, bind fields, set defaults, and add validation rules so user input stays clean. Next, set display options like size, theme, and visibility conditions to match your page layout. As you work, preview changes. This helps you catch layout shifts and data binding errors before publishing to live users. You finish by thoroughly testing interactions in preview, and then in staging to confirm data flow and UI behavior. Once tests pass, publish to production and monitor logs for errors, performance issues, or increased latency so you can respond quickly. If something goes wrong, first clear Kingshot cache and browser cache, validate widget ID and bindings, and confirm any API keys or endpoints are correct. Often a missing key or ID mismatch is the cause. Finally, roll back or patch quickly if critical failures persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.